Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to create quick and easy desk organizers with popsicle sticks, in particular DIY cell phone stand and pencil holders. Two main supplies you'll need are popsicle sticks and glue gun. To make the DIY cell phone stand, first layer and glue 5 popsicle sticks together like so. This DIY is not only easy to do, but also very useful. Second, you layer and glue 4 popsicle sticks together. Third, create an A-frame. Join them together with hot glue. Next, hot glue the 5-layer sticks to complete the A-frame like so. On the back, hot glue the 4-layer sticks, hold and press them together. Our A-frame is complete. For the last step, we make the stand. We need to cut a popsicle stick into half. To make it easier to cut, soak the stick in water for a few minutes. Hot glue the halves to the back, hold and let it dry completely. This provides support to your cell phone. And voila, here is your DIY cell phone stand. This cell phone stand is sturdy and has been very handy in our household. I absolutely love this next DIY pencil holder. After recent, I found myself gravitating towards wood-colored knickknacks, and this is a great way to incorporate pop of natural wood-colored supplies at home. It sort of has a zen feel to it and makes your study desk organized, visually balanced, and appealing. The best part? It is very simple to do. Simply make a square shape and continue to layer and hot glue popsicle sticks like so. As some of you may already know, I am documenting my quick and easy arts and crafts DIY journey here on YouTube as my small contribution to minimize my consumption to protect our planet Earth. It is a tiny act in comparison to what loads of others have done. I knew I needed to organize my son's study desk, but I don't just want to go out and consume more products than what is truly needed. I am on a DIY journey and this is my contribution. To personalize it, hot glue dinosaur wood crafts from the Dollar Tree onto the pencil holder you just made. Voila! Here is your personalized DIY pencil holder out of craft sticks. It is so beautiful. Since I loved the previous DIY so much, the next DIY is very similar to what we just made. The only difference is the pattern. Try to make each slab thicker by layering 3 glue sticks. Voila! Here is your desk organizers with glue sticks, hole puncher, and scissors. The next DIY is one of the quickest transformation to do. You'll need a round-shaped carton and gold glitter fabric. Cover your carton base with fabric. Pull tight along the circular edges and hot glue. So beautiful, isn't it? However, we'll need to cut off the excess fabric, hot glue the ends. Instantly, as you can see here, a piece of carton is transformed into bling bling. Alright, for the next 3 DIY pencil holders, they are very similar and easy to do. Only suggestion I have is before you hot glue the craft sticks onto your pencil holder, cover the bottom of the holder so that you can easily move the pencil holders around. For those of us who'd rather cover up the toilet paper roll, you can use a shelf liner from the Dollar Tree. Very easy to use. Peel off the backing and stick it under the roll. Push the ends on both sides into the roll like so. Then go ahead and hot glue the popsicle sticks onto the roll. You'll find it easier to apply hot glue onto the roll than it is to hot glue onto the popsicle stick and stick it onto your paper roll. You can also use paper towels that has been cut into halves as your pencil holder, or reuse a plastic cup as your pencil holder. So far, this pencil holder is the most functional one compared to the others we've made, just because it has a base at the bottom. As you can see, I've covered up with some blue paint and sticking with the Zen Natural Materials feel to set up my son's study desk. Zen design embodies a minimalist philosophy, making use of natural materials, patterns of light and space, and a near monastic rejection of clutter. This may not be the perfect example of a Zen design, but it certainly has helped in minimizing clutter on my son's desk. I think this invites positive energy and calms the mind. I sincerely hope you found value in this video. To motivate me to continue making more videos for you, please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button for more quick and easy DIYs, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. Be sure to watch my other videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, stay safe and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. These are some of the dinosaur sketches done by my 8-year-old son. Aren't they so cool?